Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you again for coming to my channel, and I'm here to help you to make your relationship work with men or women so we can all live in harmony and happiness. And the goal for this video is to help you men. Again, this video is only for men. Is to give you a tip so you can calm your woman, girlfriend, or wife down. Man, the truth is you don't know one trick that every woman would love to have that from you. Do you know that every woman, when she gets upset, frustrated, angry, miserable, what she's really waiting from you is for you to come and hold her. Hold her and tell her, everything gonna be okay. And say that again to her, everything gonna be okay. And if you can tell her that and also hug her, no matter how upset and frustrated she is, she's wiggling, she may be angry with you or your kids or someone else, but you keep hugging her. She wants to feel that masculine, powerful energy that makes her feel that you are protecting her. And in the moment when you do that, her stress, anxiety, fear, worry, frustration will go down. That's all she wants from you, for you to be her hero. Rescue her from her own crazy boiling emotions. And you can do that, can't you? Remember, again, throughout the day, every day if you can, tell her 3 times a day, everything gonna be okay. And when you say that, really mean it. So you, with your confidence, certainty, because you men have such a strong core. Women don't have that. And we rely that on you. If you can tell her 3 times again, everything gonna be okay, and hold her, she will be the happiest woman. And you can save yourself at least 15 years of less worry, stress, and anxiety. So I hope that's been helpful. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I look forward to seeing you again in 4 weeks, where I'm going to be leading a lecture in November for both men and women. So you guys gonna get a lot of answers to what can you do to help the relationship, because so far most of my videos were for women, but there's something that you can also do to make the relationship flow and work, even though I would still say there's a little bit more responsibility on the woman's part, but there's some part that you have to take on, and it's not just being provider and protector. So about those aspects of the relationship between, again, man and woman, I would be happy to share on November 20th. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Namaste.